So Andrew, just going to turn the machine on from a cold start. This is the coolant tank in the back. You see it sticks out just a little bit. It's about 8 inches as I measured it. So it runs all this stuff at startup. It like backs up the memory and whatever. I guess while that's starting up, there you go. So parts catcher right here. You can kind of see it down there. It just flips out. Lube tank, foot pedals, chuck, tailstock. This is what I was saying about the conveyor. So it's about 2 feet out to here, and then this part just sticks over the edge. So here's the control started up. So you have to open the door and shut it to get the control to let you in. So here's inside. So I got just a 5C collet in there right now. This right here is the, I'm not going to pull it all the way down because the tire is too close. Let me, so manual mode. So there's your tool setter. You can see the tools that I have in there. I got, well, kind of a mix. I use these bar puller. So just close the chuck. Auto mode. I'm going to turn off the coolant. So I just turn down the feed. I'll turn on the coolant just so you can see. So you can see it works. It's kind of that's it. The chip conveyor is controlled over here. Just turn it on. Other than that, control comes out. It's actually a touch screen. They give you a little pen. The hydraulic actuators behind there, if you take that off, spindle liners will go in, let you bar feed. Around the back, it's the gauges. I guess that's about it for that.